Hey guys, the kids are traveling for midwinter break, and so I took them on a little road trip. So I'm here now and I wanted to do a what's in my travel bag. So for my skincare, they are all in this LV Nice BB train case, the regular monogram. Most of my other stuff in this Stony Clover Lane duffel bag. This has my name patches on it and then the city patches. All of my makeup is in this base cosmetic case. This is the one that folds out completely flat. It's nice and compact once it's zipped up. My makeup brushes are in this Makeup by Mario travel brush set. This came with 5 brushes and I just threw in some extra eye brushes and some of my other favorites. This is my travel journaling pouch. The bag itself was a free gift with purchase from Urban Decay. This zips all the way out. It has little gussets on the side and it keeps all my travel journals. So I'll do a separate video if you want to see, but I have this travel journal from Estabrook. I have my LV Agenda MM, my Hobonichi A6 and pencil border in here, and then some stationery stuff. There is a zip pocket on the side and then a elastic pocket for all my pens. So I'll do a walkthrough if you guys want. And then my purse for this trip is the Louis Vuitton Black Multicolor Speedy 30, and I have it jazzed up with this rainbow chain. This can be added onto the shoulder strap to turn it into a crossbody. This came with the bag, and then I added this little Murakami flower guy and then these Disney ears from Tokyo. Set of keys and cards. This is just the Lululemon iridescent trio pouch, and then I added the clippable card case on here. This is such a great travel wallet. My headphones and AirPods and earbuds Pro, whatever. I have a scrunchie in this little base mesh pouch, portable charger. This mini water bottle, this is what's weighing my bag down. This is from Thermos, but I also got this from Japan, and it's great because it's nice and compact, but it doesn't leak at all. Hairbrush from Love Shack Fancy and wet brush. This base mesh pouch has all of my essentials. I have tissues, lip liners, lipstick, Tatcha, facial spray, eye drops, eyewear contacts, cuticle oil. I have a Slim Jim in here, some mints, aloe, elastics, bobby pins, just all of my essentials. This goes from bag to bag, so I can switch out between my purses quickly. So that's what it's looking like right now. This is the LV multicolor passport cover. I use the elastic or the multicolor scrunchie to tie it closed. And then I have this passport insert in here to turn it into a little notebook journal. These are all traveler's notebooks, but you can use any passport sized notebook inserts. I have a few from Amazon also that I used. I just have a lined notebook in here. I have a watercolor like sketch notebook. And then I really like this. This is a sticker release book because for junk journaling, I like to save stickers, like price stickers from packaging that I will later put in my either my Hobonichi for the day or my junk journal. A pen loop in here. I just have a zebra Sarasa clip, some post-its on the side. Very cute little passport hack because you don't need all these passport covers, and I have a lot of passport covers at this point, so I repurpose it as a notebook. Travel pouch from Idol Jewelry. All of my jewelry in here, and I've done a tour of my jewelry. Here's a smaller travel jewelry pouch and my Cartier bracelet pouch, but I'm wearing them right now. The road trip, so I'm wearing all my jewelry. If I'm traveling by plane, I try to keep all my jewelry in my purse. I don't like to wear it while I'm on the plane just because I don't want it to get snagged on like luggage and stuff, but jewelry tour, my watch, rings. My earrings are Idol, and my earrings are Idol. Tom Ford case and Sunnies. EOS lotion, Laneige lip balm with a little strawberry charm, extra tissues, and another pen. Rare Beauty hand cream. And then I might stop by the Louis Vuitton, so I brought a spare luggage tag to see if they can stamp their city stamp on here, so we'll see. So that is everything that is in my travel bags.